Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome to our very first video.
Hi there. We are so happy you are here with us. My name is Lily.
And my name is Mark. We're from the United States and we are your new friends for learning English.
That's right. We created this channel because we know that learning a new language can be, well, it can be a little bit scary sometimes.
Yes, it can. Many students tell us they understand English when they read it, but they feel nervous when they have to speak it in real life.
Exactly. So on this channel, we are going to help you with that. We will show you real, natural conversations between two friends.
Just like us. We will talk about daily life. We will talk about work, travel, shopping, and even our mistakes.
We make a lot of mistakes, and that is okay. On this channel, we speak slowly and clearly. We want you to listen, to relax, and to learn how real Americans actually talk.
You won't find boring grammar rules here. Instead, you will hear how to order a coffee, how to ask for directions, or how to talk to a neighbor.
We want this to be a fun channel for you, a channel which you can walk, sleep, sit down, have a cup of tea or coffee, and just listen.
So, if you are a beginner or if you just want to practice your listening, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the subscribe button and the little bell icon. That way, you will never miss a conversation with us.
We are so excited to start this journey with you. Are you ready to learn, Lily?
I am ready, Mark.
Great, then let's get started. Welcome to the team.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.
Bye, Lily and everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.